SST is brought to you by Stark Auto Sales, home of the ultimate worldwide scratch and dent car sale. Hey friends, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome back to the SST Car Show. They call this Supercar Godzilla, and for good reason. It has 565 horsepower, 467 pound-feet of torque. It's got a twin-turbo 3.8-liter V6 engine. It's fast. And now Nissan has taken the GT-R to a whole new level in this 50th anniversary edition. We were very privileged recently when we were one of only a handful of journalists given an opportunity to take a 50th anniversary GT-R for a short test drive. The 50th anniversary edition of the GT-R has two 50th anniversary badges on the back. It has a titanium exhaust system. This particular test car is done up in Bayside blue, last seen on the R34 GT-R. It's a graphics package that pays homage to the 1970s GT-Rs, which won 52 races in the GT-R's first 3 years of competition. Throttle response is almost instantaneous. The paint is heat treated and has a special coating for durability. That blue color flows right through to the tailpipes that are burnished so they have a blue tint. The wheels are also done up on this car in a beautiful blue hue. They're 20-inch wheels, and they're specially designed to be especially rigid. The air inlets on the hood are functional. It has aluminum door skins, an aluminum hood, and an aluminum trunk lid. That all saves weight, but if you get the track edition, you can get even more carbon fiber on this car to make it even lighter. The trunk has a surprising amount of space. It's actually practical. With this car, you get dual power seats and a tilting wheel, but the steering wheel does not telescope. Check out the speedometer. It goes up to 340 kilometers per hour. You get dual climate control and an infotainment screen that is easy to use. Every engine in a GT-R is hand assembled. The interior accents include a special GT-R interior done up in high gray. The seats are supportive but comfortable. They're easy to get in and out of. This is really well designed. It's well thought out. This is a car you can live with. The 3.8 twin-turbo V6 is handcrafted. It pumps out 565 horsepower and provides 467 pound-feet of torque. This thing will run with Lamborghinis, Ferraris, the new Corvette. When you start this car up, it starts by default in normal mode, which is good for street driving. The car does have custom settings. The transmission can be set for normal everyday driving, R is for performance, and Save will help you in slippery conditions. The Bilstein Suspension is computerized. It pulls information from sensors on various systems to determine the load on each wheel. It determines your speed, the engine RPMs, and so on. It transfers all that information to adjustable dampers. Brakes are by Brembo. The engine seems to hit just the right tone. It has a very distinct growl. The twin turbos provide an incredible amount of power throughout the power band. There is almost no turbo lag. In fact, the turbochargers were redesigned for this model year. They are 5% more efficient, and that increase in efficiency will really help propel the car coming out of corners. The GT-R has an independent rear transaxle. It drives like a rear-wheel drive car under normal conditions, putting all of the traction to the back wheels. But it can also distribute traction and power to all four wheels automatically, putting it right where it's needed when the car is being pushed in performance mode. The 6-speed dual-clutch transmission feels strong. It has to be. Watch your speed. The styling is aggressive. Police will spot you coming a mile away in this thing, and they will pull you over. Nissan engineers spent a lot of time testing this design in the wind tunnel. The shape of the car provides track-worthy downforce, but with functional air inlets, key components are also kept cool. That's what a real supercar does. The headliner in the 50th anniversary edition is also quilted. Nice touch, Nissan. Of course, you get stability control, rear view monitor, airbags, connectivity for your smartphone. The GT-R 50th Anniversary Edition has all the bells and whistles. 0 to 60 time is under 3 seconds. This car has all-wheel drive, so there is almost no slip when you launch it. The shifts are crisp. The real secret behind this GT-R's refinement, in my opinion, is the steering rack. It is a speed-sensitive power rack and pinion design with an aluminum steering rack, 4-point mounting, and stiff insulators, which provide sharp response during hard driving. But around town, every day, on the street, you need reduced effort for steering, but it still provides exceptional feedback from the road. What you're looking at here is 565 horsepower. The other secret to the GT-R's refinement is the noise cancellation system and sound insulation that is used to keep the cabin quiet. You could describe this as an everyday supercar. Some say it's almost like a go-kart, but I wouldn't quite agree with that. This car has some weight to it. It's a serious machine. You can get one of these things for about $138,000 Canadian. That translates into a whole lot less in U.S. currency. Any way you slice it, this thing is a supercar bargain. It's a head turner. It will get you a lot of attention, just like a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, a McLaren, or any supercar. People will be thrilled if you just let them sit in it, even just for a moment. It's an experience they will remember their entire life, because this is a special car. With the Nissan GT-R, you are getting a supercar and more, though. You are driving Nissan heritage, and the 50th Anniversary Edition pays tribute to everything that brought this car to this point with real style. Some call the GT-R Godzilla, and it really is a beast, but it's also a beauty. Rick Walker, SST. If you're looking for even more power in a GT-R, go for the Track Edition. That version has 600 horsepower.
Turn back the hands of time with antique Chevrolet parts. Since 1971, we've been sourcing parts from around the world to help you restore and maintain antique Chevs. Nose to tail fins, we have your parts. Call us toll free at 1-866-767-2787. Get help from a real person or go to antiquechev.com. Download a catalog, order online, delivered to your front door. Antique Chev, helping you turn back the hands of time.